Hi friends, we're gonna learn numbers from 0 to 9 using this wooden board. And look, who else is there with us? We have farm animals here, that's right. We have our sheep, horse, cow, pig, and two little ducks. That's right. They're gonna help us solve this board puzzle. Our first number is 0. Let's find number 0. Where is it? Where is it? I can't find it. Did you find number 0? I think this duck is sitting on number 0. Let's check it out. Here it is. We found our 0. Yes, let's put it right there. Good job. After 0 comes 1. We have 1 corn. Let's find number 1. Where is number 1? Oh, here it is. Number 1. 1 goes right in here. After 1 comes 2. We got 2 carrots here. 1 and 2. Let's find number 2. Where are you? Number 2, number 2, number 2. We found number 2. That's right. Here it is. 2 goes right in there. After 2 comes 3. We have 3 apples here. 1, 2, and 3. Let's find number 3. Maybe a farm animal is sitting on it. Oh, come on animals, help us find number 3. I think the sheep is sitting on number 3. Oh, here it is. Number 3. Let's put him right there. Number 3. 3 goes right in there. After 3 comes 4. We have 4 pairs. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's find number 4. Can you spot number 4? I'm not able to find it. Oh, maybe the horse is hiding. 4. Yes, the horse was hiding number 4. We found it. There we go. This is number 4. 4 goes right in there. Wow. After 4 comes 5. Let's put the horse properly there. Okay. We gotta find number 5. We got 5 pea pods. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's find number 5. Where are you, number 5? I can't see you. Oh, here it is. The pig is hiding number 5. We found it. Number 5 goes right in here. After 5 comes 6. We got 6 oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 oranges. Let's find number 6. Are you hiding number 6, duck? No. Where are you, number 6? Do you see number 6? I can't find it. Maybe the cow is sitting on number 6. Yes, that is number 6. Oh, the cow was hiding number 6. 6 goes right in here. All right. After 6 comes 7. We got 7 strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 strawberries. Let's find number 7. Where can it be? Oh, here it is. Number 7. That's right. Number 7 goes right in here. After 7 comes 8. We got 8 grapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 grapes. Who's hiding number 8? Where are you? Here it is. We found number 8. 8 goes right in there. And our last number in this board is number 9. We got 9 blueberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Where is number 9? Hey horse, do you know where is number 9? Do you know where is number 9, cow? No. Who's got number 9? I can't find it. The duck is hiding number 9. Yes, we found our 9. It goes right in there. Wow, you helped me find all the numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Good job, guys.